In the age of AI, life skills are more important now than ever. The people who stand out won't be the ones who avoid AI. They'll be the ones who know how to use it wisely, ethically, and effectively. Artificial intelligence is changing how people learn, create, solve problems, and lead. No matter your major or career path, understanding AI is becoming an essential professional and life skill. At High Point University, we're not waiting for the future to arrive. We're preparing students to lead it. Led by world-renowned futurist and best-selling author Daniel Burrus, this certification combines expert insight with practical, hands-on learning that prepares you to use AI with confidence and critical thinking.
Right now, there is more opportunity than there's ever been on the planet Earth.
AI can generate ideas, analyze information, simplify complexity, accelerate your work. But the real advantage isn't what AI can do, it's what you can do with it. In High Point University's certification in AI Literacy Foundations, you'll learn how to leverage AI today and be prepared for the future ahead. Stand out in a competitive job market. Earn your certification and show employers you're prepared to lead in an AI-powered world. High Point University, preparing students for the world as it is going to be.